What if the moon isn't just a natural satellite? What if it was placed there, always watching us, always facing us, never turning away? And what if the moon is not just near Earth, but monitoring it? Let's start with a simple fact. The moon is abnormally large compared to Earth. Too large, in fact. No other rocky planet in our solar system has a moon this big. Perfectly sized, perfectly positioned, perfectly stable. Even more disturbing? The moon creates perfect solar eclipses. The sun is 400 times larger than the moon, and also 400 times farther away. That alignment is so precise, scientists still can't fully explain it. Coincidence or calibration? Here's something most people never think about. The moon is tidally locked. It shows only one face to Earth, forever. No matter where you are, no matter when you look, the same side, every time. If the moon were a natural object, this would be extremely rare. But if it were designed to observe Earth, this would be perfect. During NASA's Apollo missions, something strange happened. When astronauts crashed lunar modules into the moon rang like a bell for over an hour. Solid rock doesn't do that. Some scientists suggested unusual internal structure, massive empty cavities, or a structure unlike any natural body we know. That sparked one terrifying idea. What if the moon is partially hollow? And if something is hollow, it can contain something. If an advanced alien civilization wanted to study life, Earth would be rare, precious, dangerous. Instead of visiting directly, they could place a long-term observation station, a structure capable of tracking biological evolution, monitoring electromagnetic signals, detecting nuclear activity, observing technological growth. The moon has a perfect view of Earth. It stabilizes our planet, controls tides, influences climate, even affects human behavior. Almost like it's not just observing, but regulating us. Here's the chilling part. Some theories suggest the moon wasn't always there. Ancient myths across different civilizations describe a time before the moon, a sudden appearance in the sky, the arrival of the Watcher. What if the moon was placed here when life on Earth reached a critical moment? Not to help us, but to keep an eye on what we'd become. Humans landed on the moon, then suddenly stopped. No permanent bases, no public deep exploration, no clear explanation why we never returned seriously. What if we found something? Not aliens, but evidence that we're not alone, even from above. So the next time you look at the moon, ask yourself this: is it just a silent rock floating in space? Or a billion-year-old device patiently watching a young civilization to see whether it deserves to survive? Because if it is a monitor, the scariest question isn't who built it, it's what happens when the observation ends.